Okay, hello guys, this is Mac Elbs. Okay, today, ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-download ng images sa Google without violating yung copyright consideration po. Okay, so just for information, para sa mga iba na hindi nakakaalam, sa Google, there's certain images po that we are allowed to download po and to reuse. But there are some images din po, hindi po natin pwede i-download or we are not allowed to download these images due to copyright po. So, paano po natin malalaman na pwede natin i-download yung images at safe po tayo para gamitin ito for reuse purpose, for our own personal reuse or whatever purpose na gusto nating gamitin sa images. So, example, go to Google, so website. Okay, actually, andito na ako. So, just type whatever images na gusto mong i-download. So, assuming NBA. Okay, so NBA. So, click nyo po yung images. Click nyo po yung images. Okay, so ang daming images dito lumabas. So, take note, meron sa taas dito may mga may mga links or buttons dito. News, videos, images. And etong part na to, dito ay mag-focus. Okay? Settings at saka tools. Okay? So, click nyo po tong tools. So, may nag-drop ng mga sub-menus. Okay? Size, color, type, time, usage rights, more tools. So, dito po tayo pupunta sa usage rights. Click nyo po to. Okay, so may nag-drop ulit ng mga sub-menus niya. So, may not filtered by license, labeled for reuse with modification, labeled for reuse, labeled for non-commercial, and reuse and with modification. So, click nyo po yung labeled for reuse. Okay. So, once na-click nyo na po yun, okay, meaning to say, all of these images na nakikita nyo po is safe po nyo pwede i-download at safe nyo po pwede gamitin without violating yung copyright po. So, hindi po kayo dyan makakasuhan ng copyright po. So, yun lang po. So, whatever images na nyo, click nyo na lang yan. Then, you can save it. Whatever, saan nyo po gusto i-save. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan po kayo and hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more tips and trainings from me. Okay, see you guys. Bye.